Welcome to NPTEL CAD system. In this video, I will show you how to create this part in Catia V5 Surface modeling. Here you can see the part. This is the part in isometric view, and here it is shown with one view. This is front view, this is top view, and here another isometric view, and one detail view here. First I go with this sketch, going into XY plane, top plane, and I create this sketch, and I keep axis here. For that, I open Catia V5, select top plane, go to sketch. Just create a profile as per in top view. Corners are there here. You can apply this corner in using 3D fillet also. Here it is shown 60 and total width is 120 and 60 here from axis. First I give from here to here 60, 120, here again 60, not 6, 60. From here it is a 40, again 40. This is 40 again, and from here to here it is 80. And 20, this is here, 20 is there. So total 40. This one is 40. From the center it is mentioned here 20. And this feature width is 40. Now give corners here. This corner is 40 and these 15. Here also I give 15. Then total height is 55 from the base. I give more, some 70 I give. Because it is spherical on the top, here you can see sphere 250 at 55 distance. So to create this roundness on the top, I select this plane and go to sketch. $250. This is 55. Make the center coinciding this point. Right click coincidence. Exit. Revolve this by going to revolve option. Select profile and axis 360 degrees. Like this it is. You can directly use trim option. Surface 1, surface 2. This both we need. I hide this. This one I hide. And its thickness. Thickness here it is shown. In this detail view, here somewhere 5 mm it is shown. So what I do is I offset this. Fillet is also there on the top edge, but the fillet radius is not mentioned. So I go to edge fillet. And I give some 10 mm like overall, or some 8 mm I give. Then I offset this by going into command offset. I select the surface 5 mm offset inside. So like this. I make offset surface and I close and I apply close surface option to add solid between this section. Now we generate base, say base of the shape. I select plane, I go to sketch. Here one circle, first I create here one circle. Something profile like this. Center. It's not center, it is not center. Okay. R16, 32, 32 dia, R15 here. So 30 dia. This I make dia 30. And the distance to the center E is given. Let me check. 60 it is given. Okay. On either side I give 60, 60. Somewhere it sets. And this distance also 60. Vertically it is 60. It comes down. So we adjusted this. Then to this edge it is given 70. So on either side enter 70. This I make 140. Okay. Now take a line like this connecting these two circles. Let me check its distance now. 70 from the center. Here it is mentioned 70. Do apply that. Trim this. This area we finished the profile backside. We did and come over. Apply dimension. 90. $60. Now I apply fillet. This is R25 and this is R20. 20, 25. 20 here. $25. Then and its offset surface, its thickness is 5. Again it is mentioned here. Now I exit, extrude 5 mm. Fill, I go for fill option now. Fill. I offset this to 5 mm. Go for OK. Then we need to split. I hide the top surface. Hide or show. Then this we need to split inside. Split element to cut is this one. Cutting element is this surface. Other side. Then go for OK. Then show this. Now hide this. Now what we need to do? Again go to split. Element to cut is this one. Cutting element is this surface. So we don't need the downside surface. Like this it is supposed to be. Then split. Element to cut is now this base surface, top one, and cutting element is this one. Other side. Like this. And show this. Then the surface should be like this. Inside it is hollow. Join all the surfaces. Tools hide. First I hide all sketches. Join. I select all the surfaces. Then go for OK. I go to edge fillet. I select this surface. Fillet is applied. I give less, some 5 mm I give. Okay. Then here fillet, here radius is not mentioned. Oh, radius 3 is mentioned here. Then enter 3. Then ribs are there. Some angle is given. Here total height is not given. And the thickness of the rib is, it is shown 5. I select this plane. I go to sketch. And directly I take profile like this. I coincide this to this. $70 mentioned and this height is not given. Just I give 25 mm. Exit. I deactivate this fillet, or we can delete this. Afterwards we can give this fillet. Let it be like this. Now I go for command fill. So the stiffener surface is formed like this. Offset. I go to offset. The other side, reverse direction. 5 mm. Okay. Now go for fill option. I hide the sketch. Now I go to fill option. This one. Create line. This point to this point. Join surface 1, 2, 3. Mirror this by going into symmetry option. Select plane. This side it appears. Then we need to split surface inside. Split element to cut is this one. Cutting element is this joined surface and this symmetry surface. So inside whatever the surface, it will be trimmed. Other side inside. So whatever the surface area which is connected to this surface, vertical surface and the base surface is trimmed like this. Join. This one, then go for OK. In the same way we need to do this side also. Rib, I am not going to do that. Now I make holes. R15, 1, or not R15, this one, R10, this whole dia. See 4 holes or 12 dia mentioned. So directly I go to sketch. Selecting this surface, I go to sketch. Twelve dia. 12. From here to the center. 35. This is 35. I make this construction now. $35. Zero. This is concentric. Extrude 5 mm is enough. 5. Hide all sketches. Split element to cut is this one. Cutting element is this whole extrude. Then we get like this. Then join. Select all the surfaces. Then go for OK. Now I apply a radius 3 mm radius. Now I select this edge fillet. Then I apply color. Now finally we need to apply solid. Go for part. Then as we use the offset surface, then we need to go for a command close surface. Select that surface, then go for OK. Now I hide this surface. Now you can see solid. Transparency 100%. See, this is a solid which we got from surface. So generating offsetting surface, and we applied close surface. Like this we need to use the surface options to create this part. I hide solid and I keep surface options on. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, share and subscribe Imperial CAD system.